Welcome to Adobe After Effects. In this quick tip, we're going to go over the basics of Adobe's animation application. To get started, pop your cursor over to New Project. From here, click the square that says New Composition. In this window, you can change your composition settings. Here, you can change your composition name. I'm going to name this one After Effects Tutorial. Your aspect ratio, your frame rate, and your duration. Once done, you can go over and click OK. Now in your new composition, I'm going to give you a quick little tour of After Effects. Here in this first window is our composition window. This is where we can view and preview any of our work. Over here to the left is our project window. This will house any of our icons, logos, and any projects or compositions we work on. And down here is our timeline. This is the bread and butter of After Effects, and this is where we will be doing most of our work today. And up here is our toolbar, which houses an array of interesting options. In this quick tip, we're going to practice how to change the property values of a shape. So we're going to click on the rectangle tool for this tutorial. Once selected, go back over to your composition window and click and drag to create a shape. Reselect your selection tool and click on the rectangle. You'll notice you're able to move the rectangle freely around your composition. And note, you can even move it outside of your composition window. Now to actually make an animation, we're going to pop down to our timeline. As you can see, the rectangle has appeared on the timeline. From here, we're going to click the drop-down window. And you'll notice we have all these different properties and property values right here. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with position, scale, rotation, and opacity. So make sure you have these values visible. To start our animation, I'm going to grab our rectangle and pull it outside of my composition window. Once I've done that, I'm going to go down to my timeline and make sure my playhead is at the beginning of my sequence. From here, I'm going to go to the left side of my timeline and click the stopwatch next to the position property value. As you can see, it made a small diamond at the start of my timeline. Next, I'm going to drag my playhead forward a couple seconds. Once I've done that, I'm going to drag my rectangle back onto the composition. Bring my playhead back to the start and pressing spacebar, I can now see the animation I just created. Repeat this process for all the rest of your property values and you can get a result such like this.